Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add bots to Discord. For those who don't know what Discord is an app that is mainly used for communication. So first you have to go to the website called top.gg. So I searched it and now I'm going to click on the first link. Now if you want to add a specific bot whose name you know, so then you have to search it and add it. Otherwise if you want to explore some bots, then you can scroll down and just view some of the bots. Like one of the bot is Me6, Dank Memer, and many other bots are there. And you can also see the category to which they belong. So Pokemon game. So like this, you can explore some bots. Now if you want to add a bot which you know, then just search it. So I'm going to show you an example by searching Akibot. So I searched Aki. Then the first bot is the one I want to add. Just click on invite from here. Now you have to log into your account from here. Since I'm already logged in, I can directly select the server. Now you have to select a server. Make sure you are the owner of the server or you have the permission to invite bot. So I'm going to select a server of mine and you have to click on continue. Just tick all of those and click on authorize. Now I already have the bot in my server. These are the two channels that I wanted to show you. These are the channels that belong to my friends. One of them is a gaming channel and one of that is a creation channel where all types of videos are there. Now if you are interested in game, then you can go subscribe to this channel. And now if you're interested in creating things, art and craft and all, then you can go and check the first one. Thank you guys. Hope you like the video. Please make sure you subscribe and like and also share the video.